Snowflakes falling outside my window pane. Another Christmas wish whispered in the cold.
Oh, hello there. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, welcome in. Take a seat. I am Mel and I've got a couple of Temu parcels. If you're returning, welcome back. I've got two parcels. I will start with a smaller one. I think would be a good idea. And I've kind of forgotten what's in these. But I am hoping that my children do not watch my video, because they will get an idea of what will be in their stocking. Ooh. Oh! It's all falling on the ground. So, we have got Daimond painting related. We've got kids stocking, and I'm throwing it on the ground. Actually, quite a few things in this one. So how has everyone been? It's been a busy week. I'm just going to sort these out on the side and show you. It's been a busy week. I've just walked the dogs. It is a hot day, hot afternoon. But I thought if I don't walk them, I might run out of energy. Yeah, so this first item is a pair of socks. I'm not sure if I want to open up all of the socks. But these are Christmas, son of a Nutcracker. We all know that movie. Oh, yeah. They're not cotton. They feel like they are polyester. But very stretchy. A bit of fun for Christmas. Oh, my dogs are just jumping. I'm going to have to wrap these up again as they were. So maybe I won't open up all of them, because I'm going to make a hash up of it. So we've got some hamburgers and chips, fries, stockings. So what I will do is, with pricing and stuff and links, I will, how about I let you know what the prices are as I talk. What I should have done is let you know. I'm just trying to find my order. Apologies. I'll let you know down in the description just how much I paid and what it is in US dollars, and the links if you want to buy them. So I think these Nutcracker ones were, it's actually bringing up the price that they are now, which is not what I paid. So what they are now is $7.33, almost sold out. That's New Zealand dollars. So everything I say will be in New Zealand dollars. How about, and I did get some price adjustments actually. I'm thinking I paid a lot less. I really am. Actually, there's some more price adjustments. Okay. The hamburger and fries, they've got a bit of, they've got 8% off at the moment, so $3.52. And we've got some wicked socks. I actually don't think these are the ones. Oh no, we've got two. We've got two wicked socks actually. I really am keen to open up these ones and have a look. Gosh, they're pretty. They are pretty. So we've got both witches on the socks, and then it's got wicked printed, wicked for good on the bottom. They're pretty. I just feel that they're going to be very hot. They're not socks. Yeah, winter time maybe they'll be okay. So I got these for my daughter, the 2 wicked ones, and then the hamburgers are for my son, and hot burger socks. So do we want to open that up? Why not? I won't pull them out. But it's supposed to be like a burger. Oh, and it's wrapped. It's a wrapped burger, of course. Oh my goodness. So, yeah, it's meant to be like a burger. I'm not sure how that looks like a burger, but yeah, not like the picture that you see online. Which I really want to see. So we've got some salad. We've got some mustard, I guess. And meat, salad, and the burger. I reckon that one's folded up. That's folded up the wrong way. That's why it doesn't look like a burger. I think that's meant to be like that way. I think that is better. Maybe? Okay. So they're just a little bit of fun. It's because my son loves a good burger. He loves his burgers. He really does. And I got these for my husband. Oh, I got some Merry Christmas tissues. Really want to look at the prices now. And you think I'm going to be able to find them? I remember these were like $2 something, but now they are $3.20 each. Still a really good price for Christmas napkins. I got a Happy New Year. Won't be a diamond painting channel without having some diamond painting. Happy New Year. So this will have its special little gems and a chain, and you comes with your standard kit, your green tray, a really basic straw pen, and a little tab of wax, and the drills. And they look pretty. Oh, these look nice. Little white, almost AB teardrops, and we've got some gold hearts, some little red ones, blue ones, little gold ones. Can you see my nails? My daughter did them. And we've got some green. Some red ones. Oh, they almost match my nails. And some pink ones and some clear, silvery clear ones. So they'll be quite pretty. That'll be a little project to do after Christmas. And what? Oh! And of course I always have to knock the camera. I'm so sorry. Do have another diamond painting, which we'll look at shortly. Now, do I remember what the sign cost? Oh, these are about $11.92 New Zealand dollars. It's almost the price of a burger. This, I think, I come back to that. The Happy New Year sign is at $10.94. I think that's it. And this is for my daughter. Sushi socks. I don't think those are socks, but looks pretty. These are not coming up. I think maybe this particular one has sold out, but a similar set, it's not jumping out at me, it's about $9.20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you've got 3 pairs of socks. Almost looks like sushi. Almost. Okay. And then I got some cards. Some Oracle cards. Rebecca Campbell. And we've got this lovely big sticker on there. So I might actually just open that up for us. Now I saw these and thought of my daughter because she has a lot of anxiety, and I thought getting her some cards to read would be good. And I saw them on Amazon and they were a lot more expensive, and you can actually buy them directly from the artist. But I believe these are the real McCoy. They're not fake ones. Can I open it? They are coming up as $8 and only one left right now. Maybe I won't pull them all out. Okay. You're not alone. Isolation, physical connection, community. It's pretty. They're pretty basic. They're pretty thin. I don't think there's any. Oh, we can read the back, but there's probably not good instructions on how to use them. But what I like to do is just shuffle the pack of my Oracle cards. I just shuffle them and choose a card and read. So they're very nice. And then we've got a diamond painting. This looks like it is pretty big. It's a 40 by 40 centimetre, and that will be the fabric size, not the design size. Ah, you can see what that is. We've got our standard kit and we've got our drills. They don't look overly vibrant. We've got some dark ones. Pretty much yellow is the only vibrant colour in there. I'm not 100% sure if I will actually use these. I may. Let me. Oh, I'm going to have to speed it up because I've got another bag to open. Maybe. Do we do it all? Should I do 2 separate videos? And it is fireworks. A lot of colour blocking. Fireworks. It's supposed to be fireworks. I don't know just how vibrant it will be. It looks pretty colourful, and it looks a lot better in the camera than it is with me looking at it. But yeah, A bit of fun. A bit of fun. Maybe a partial would have been better. What do you think about all of those? Let me know. Have you got yourself organised for your stockings? If you do Christmas or any other gift giving, let me know in the comments. I'd love to know. And yeah, I hope you're all keeping well and safe, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. I'd like to thank all my subscribers and my new subscribers as well, and anyone that watches my videos and doesn't subscribe. You are all my friends, and yeah, much love. And I'll just show you my nails. We haven't done that one because of my neuropathy in that finger, so what do you think? My daughter's pretty clever. She's learning, but doing a good job. Okay, love to you all. Bye.